According to historians, its use dates back to ancient Egypt. And there are those who believe it is connected symbolically to the Egyptian Ankh.
When it comes to the Ankh in ancient Egypt, we find that it is intimately familiar with Isis. Isis symbolizes the Ankh because she is the one who was able to restore life. It is the symbol of transformation, the symbol of alchemy, the symbol of ritual.
The Ankh is always a symbol used in pharaonic times as a scepter, but an interesting play on the word Ankh shows that it also stems from the word Anunnaki, which meant those who from heaven came to earth.
And what's fascinating to me is that the Ankh, in many occasions, is also shown next to the jet pillar. And the jet pillar also is one of the earliest symbols we have in ancient Egypt, and both symbols describe a connection to the stars. If you combine the two, in some of the ancient Egyptian carvings that we see, something very technological is described or depicted.